Hi, and welcome to my course, Learning Blockchain Technology by Building Your Own in JavaScript. In this course, we will build a complete, fully functional blockchain from scratch using the JavaScript programming language. We are going to be building out a blockchain that has all the same functionality that you would find on a production-level blockchain in real life, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Our blockchain will be able to perform a proof of work to secure the blockchain. It will also be able to create new blocks through a mining process, create new immutable transactions, validate the entire blockchain and all of the data within each block, retrieve address, transaction, or block data, and it will have many other important features as well. In this course, we will also build out a decentralized blockchain network that will host our entire blockchain. The first step in creating our blockchain network is that we will build out an API or a server to interact with our blockchain from the internet. From there, we will upgrade our API so that it consists of multiple different nodes, allowing us to create a decentralized network for our blockchain to be hosted on. We will also create a consensus algorithm to make sure that the data across our entire decentralized blockchain network is legitimate and always synchronized. And finally, we will create a Block Explorer web page so that we can explore the data in our blockchain by using a graphical interface. All of this will be done right on your own computer or laptop, and you do not need to have any fancy equipment for this whatsoever. All you need is a computer and basic knowledge of the JavaScript programming language. The purpose of this course is to help you to understand how blockchain technology actually works by building out your own blockchain and decentralized network. By the end of this course, you will have a full-fledged blockchain prototype that is hosted on a decentralized network, and you will have gained a great deal of knowledge and understanding as to how blockchains actually work under the hood. So if you want to get a better understanding of how blockchains function by actually building one out in code, this is the course for you. I will see you in the first lesson.